So, what's up? Um, all right, so I'm making this channel for myself, really. This is to document my entrepreneurial journey. Uh, Starting a company, getting through the launch phase, growth phase, all that stuff, all the exciting stuff, and to document the grind, as I call it, as everybody calls it, the grind. So this is totally an unorganized thought explosion video. I'm just taking it from what I'm using as my office now on my laptop, which means the quality is going to suck and the audio is probably going to suck and all that stuff's going to suck, but this is real and I'm not making myself look good or anything. I haven't showered in 2 days. Just basically rolled out of bed and came into what is the office. So what's the status right now? Let me give you kind of a quick update. This company was started about 7 or 8 years ago. I had to put it on the shelf about 5 years ago, just before we launched our first product because of an illness. And we are back in the game now. So I've been at it for about 2 months now. And I'm not going to tell you or say what the name of the company is or specifically what we do, but it's a website and an app that has to do with data. And really, what I really want to talk about on this is the struggles that I go through as an entrepreneur. I'm kind of a serial entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur since I was 5, 6 years old. And throughout my entire life, I've started company after company, and some were successful and some were not, and that's just how it goes. So, the company, though, I call it the latest company. Really, it's been around for quite some time, but this new iteration, the new product right now is something different. And so I'm going to have this channel here. Every once in a while when I sit down at the computer here, I'm just going to throw together a quick video of an update and slap it on this YouTube channel and look back on it in 5 or 10 years, and hopefully the company will be uber successful and I'll be able to look back at myself and go, wow, look what I started from. So hopefully that's what's going to happen. We're still pre-launch, so kind of the scenario right now is that company is still pre-launch, and right now it's just me. I am a solopreneur right now with this effort. I'm not a developer by trade, but I am in the kind of the quasi computer industry. I do sit in front of a computer all day for my day job, and I do have some, enough skills to be dangerous with some PHP and MySQL and stuff like that. I'm really putting together something using an off-the-shelf CMS, content management system, that's requiring some pretty extensive customization to do what we want to do. And so I spend a lot of time looking at this computer and looking at my screen over here. The environment right now is I am in our RV, which is parked in front of our house. And the reason I'm out here and got this all set up is that I definitely needed some space away. And I'm gonna yawn because I'm always tired these days. Anyway, I needed some space away, a solo space kind of, to go down what I refer to as rabbit holes when it takes concerted and focused effort for an extended period of time to make something happen. So I have this space out here. It's self-contained. Although I don't have it, I don't have the water all hooked up and everything. I do have power out here, so kind of have the office set up in the back of the trailer. Here is the wall with the whiteboards and stuff like that. So at some point, I'll give you a tour of the toy hauler motorhome or trailer, really, which is serving as the launch office for the company. So I'm going to refer to the company from now on or until further notice as Project Batman. There's a story behind that, and I'll get to that in a new video at some point. But this is really the beginning of my documentation about the struggle to launch a business in the tech world, in the .com space, with a web app and a mobile app and an API, and how that all is going to come together. So there's not going to be a cohesive storyline here in the beginning. It's going to be catch as catch can, and whenever I get a chance to just sit and stare at the camera and post a video. So that's what's going to happen, and hopefully, if anybody's watching this, I hope it is my kids, or maybe even, if I'm lucky enough, my employees in the future. So my name is Allie, by the way. I didn't tell you that. But like I said, if you're watching this, you probably know who I am already. This is really a self-documentation process of the trials and tribulations, the struggle of the grind of starting something by yourself. I am an expert in the field, for sure, an expert in the field with plenty of certifications and experience in the industry that I'm launching this in. It's the industry, not the technology, that I am an expert in. I am dangerous with the technology, although I am leveraging some contract developers on a website called Upwork right now. I don't have a CTO or anything. Like I said, I am the CEO, the founder, the janitor, everything. So that's where we are today. It is December, what is today? December 28th, 2019, and that's where we are. So I'll do another video when I do another video. Maybe tonight. I'm spending a lot of time out here in the toy hauler, also called Batman HQ or the Bat Cave. Maybe I should call it the Bat Cave. Let's call it the Bat Cave. I'm gonna call it the Bat Cave, and I'll make another video. I don't know, maybe tonight. But I'm going to make a lot of videos to document all of this craziness. So hope you're having a great afternoon or evening or day or whatever it is whenever you're watching this. And I'll talk to you later. Ciao.